Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce mental fog with Omega-3 from Nordic Naturals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Reducing mental fog is essential for maintaining clarity and focus in daily life. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into your diet can be highly effective. Start by understanding what omega-3s are and their benefits. Omega-3s are essential fats that support brain health and cognitive function. They are primarily found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Next, consider choosing a high-quality supplement. Nordic Naturals is known for its purity and potency. Look for products that contain EPA and DHA, the two most beneficial types of omega-3s. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for you. It's typically recommended to take omega-3 supplements with a meal for better absorption. Start with a daily dose and monitor your body's response. Be patient, as it may take several weeks to notice significant effects. In addition to supplementation, include omega-3 rich foods in your diet. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent choices for fish. Vegetarian options include chia seeds, hemp seeds, and algae-based supplements. Try to add these foods to your meals at least a few times a week. Stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet to support overall brain health. Consider reducing processed foods and sugars that may contribute to mental fog. Regular exercise can also enhance cognitive function and help reduce mental fog. Incorporate stress management techniques, such as mindfulness or meditation. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for optimal brain function. Track your progress to see how omega-3s and lifestyle changes impact your mental clarity. Adjust your approach if you feel you're not seeing improvements. Commit to a consistent routine for the best results over time. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce mental fog and enhance your cognitive health. Make omega-3s a part of your daily regimen and watch your focus improve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.